Hi, I'm Danny Steyn. I'm from South Africa.
Danny Steyn, he has a very strong personality. He jokes that he's the most hated man in Spec Miata.
I'm really easy to hate.
For Danny Steyn, racing is probably his fountain of youth, but he's competing in a class of teenagers, and he's winning.
14, 15-year-old and 16-year-old kids, they're all chasing this pro seat. That's what they're after. For me, I have no ambitions of being pro. What I'm trying to do is be the biggest damn spoiler in their life. But there's some wisdom in this old brain of mine, and they haven't got that experience yet.
Danny Steyn, he is the pole sitter, 3-time and defending STL champion. Danny Steyn will be one to watch.
At my age, it's really easy to sit back on a couch, but that's a very fast, rapid decline. And I'm going to prove that a grandfather can still wheel a car. It's never ending. I never stop trying to get faster.
Every amateur racer has a story. Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.